What's your name, girl? Can I get your number? Oh, you want to dance? No. You want to dance?
I hate you. Don't come any closer to me.
Let's go.
What is that supposed to be? What is he doing, Thor, huh? What'd you get? Vanilla?
Eggnog.
Oh, yay! Okay, a little too happy. Eggnog!
Why is it unlocked over there?
I don't know, but eggnog! Thank you, baby.
Am I watching it?
Yeah, you can. That looks so yummy. Look at the like little mountains. Mars. It's Mars. Wait, no. That looks so yummy. I'm gonna eat you.
I've gone to some real.
Yeah.
I know that. It's raining. And tomorrow I'm supposed to go in cable car Christmas light tour in San Francisco. I hope it's not still like this. It looks like. It's raining. Are you gonna clean up your toys? What? How old are you? You don't know how to clean up your own toys? Is that yours too? 20% off at Bed Bath & Beyond? It's ignoring me. He can't get out the house. This door. You got it, bro? I'm gonna have to start putting his puppy gate up again. His puppy gate and the thing up again. Donald made a pizza. Subway pizza.
That's right.
Gosh. Daryl likes those meatball marinara, but he never put, I don't think he put pepperoni on it.
Oh, dude, it makes a huge difference to the flavor.
Gross. And I got plain salami with Swiss and whole vegetables. And these things. And we have a view of the rainy day. Yay! It's not really raining anymore though. Oh. Vegetables. Well, not all vegetables, but vegetables. So it's been raining all day. I'm gonna use this camera to fix my TARDIS on my head. What is it with the hair in my eyeball? So yeah, it's been raining all day. Me and Dora are gonna go for a walk again. This morning we went for a walk and it was just puddles everywhere. It was horrible. So me and Donald came back. I just got through filming some unboxing videos and I'm gonna try to take Thor out for a walk. He has his little, where is he? There he is, in the corner. He has his, you okay? You in the corner? Did you do something bad? You're just sitting in the corner. Hold on, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take him out. If it's not raining, I might film how much it's been raining, but hopefully it's not raining anymore. So we're gonna go and see. It's not raining. It's okay. No, I'm not. Goodness gracious. It's okay. Come on. Come on. It's fine. Come on. It's okay. He thinks it's raining. It's not raining. It's okay. See? Oh. That's just. See, bud? You alright? Yeah? Alright. Thor. What are you doing? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. He's peeing. He does not want to be out here right now. That's for sure. Come on, bud. Let's go. Thor. 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 Come on. This way. This way. This way. What the heck? Don't want to walk. Now he's going to everyone else's car. No. Daddy's gone. Daddy went. Come on. Let's go. Okay, well this was a big gigantic fail, I guess. We ain't even go anywhere. What you shaking for? You're not wet. You wanna go home? Seriously? Oh. It's okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me get this one. Go ahead. Put a little Christmas tree in the corner. Looks like it's for like Hanukkah or something. It's blue, not because they're Jewish, but because I like Doctor Who.
He's just being a jerk. Kevin, if Uncle Frank says no, then it must be really bad.
Uncle Frank was a jerk. I have no idea why Oh Holy Night makes me cry. It's made me cry ever since I was little. This line right here makes me cry. Every time. No matter who's singing it.